Hey there, welcome back to this channel, and today in short tutorial we're gonna let you know how you can switch your private account to your public account. Well, with the new update, TikTok automatically makes an account private, especially if you're under 16 years old. However, if you set your account private, that means your account will no longer be visible to everyone. Whereas if you make it public account, your account will be visible to everyone. Now, if you don't know how you can switch your account on your TikTok by using your iPhone or Android, the first work that you want to do, guys, you need to open up your TikTok applications. Right after that, go ahead and tap on your profile, and right after that, you'll be able to see this three-dot line. Tap on three-dot line. Well, from there, tap on privacy. Now, once you open up your privacy, and if you see your private account is enabled or toggled on from here, simply turn it off. Now, doing that process will make your account public. That means anybody from now on will be able to see, like, and share your content from your TikTok account. Alright guys, hope you find this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.